Alright, so yesterday I got another commission for a painting, which is awesome. That's what I'm looking for. Lately I've been doing a lot of animals in nature, but this one's going to be a little bit different. We're going to be doing a local business building. It's the New York lunch in one of the New York lunches in my area. Someone that kind of collects, seems like they collect paintings of this nature. They have quite a few from another artist around here, and they were looking for this specific building, which that artist didn't do or hasn't done yet. And my mom actually found them in some Facebook group or something, and then they hit me up. So we're gonna do this for them. It shouldn't take too long, I don't think. It's gonna be a little different than what I'm used to, but I think it'll be nicer and actually quite simple, really. She doesn't mind a more illustrative type thing, so we'll do somewhere in between, like illustrative, realism type of deal, and get this knocked out for them. Another thing is I got my deposit. Well, actually they paid in full, which is awesome. That just puts a little bit of fire underneath me to get moving and get this knocked out, so I don't, you know, have them worrying about how they paid me already. And since they have paid me already, you know, I try my hardest to get these things done and just out of here, and I can move on to the next. But I went ahead yesterday and printed out this reference. I did a little bit of Photoshop work just because I couldn't quite find the exact picture I liked. They sent me over a reference or two of what they were looking for. I added, the main photo is one I found, and then I had to move this little New York lunch logo over to this side to kind of fill that out a little bit better. I added just a couple little things here and there in Photoshop. This open sign and the Smith's hot dog sign is actually from, don't know how well you can see that, but is actually from an older version of the building. But the reference they sent me had that in it, so I decided I'd do that. And I also wanted to pull away from the building a little bit so we could get some of the sidewalk in here. And then on this corner of the building they have a nice little like spiky gate thing that kind of just wraps. It's like a 3-post thing that wraps around the corner of the building, and I wanted that corner of the building to be able to, you know, kind of see that it's the structure a little bit better. So what we're going to be doing is I'm going to take some tracing paper and we're going to tape our reference to this little panel here. It's just like a really thin kind of a cardboard type deal. They wanted something they could frame, but they also kept saying cardboard, which is interesting. I couldn't really figure out what they meant by that. So I assumed, you know, just like a nice thicker cardstock type deal, but this is actually even probably a little bit thicker than that. It's not much, it's like a 1/16 of an inch, but it's not paper, is the point there. So we're gonna take our reference and tape it to our panel so it doesn't move or shift while we do a little bit of just a quick tracing. We're not gonna get too crazy. I basically just want to get, you know, all the dimensions and everything, and then we'll do a quick tracing of all the different signs and everything, just so all the font and everything matches. And then we'll do our initial, just like a messy wash on top, just to get it coated and get that stencil sealed onto the panel. And then we're gonna just start knocking this thing out. So let's hop on to tracing paper. I'm going to use a ballpoint pen to do this, and once we start, after we get our initial coat and like an initial underpainting started, we'll come back and kind of talk how we're going to start doing some details. Alright, so I just wanted to pop in for just a quick update. I put a full date on this yesterday. We got the image transferred and quite a bit done, as you can see, and it's going pretty well. It's taken a little bit longer than I was expecting, but at the same time, not really, because I've been going in and completely rendering out certain areas, like these windows and stuff are pretty much done. A lot of this like sidewalk area is pretty much done, I think. I might change the tones a little bit the more I go, but so far it's coming out pretty nice. But what I want to do now is I want to go in and kind of start doing some of the signage to really finish off like this window area to make it completely finished. And then like this main New York lunch sign, I'll get that plugged away. And then I can start going in and just finishing off the building, which I think will be fairly easy and simple. So we're just gonna jump back in and start plugging away on some signage. Alright, so I'm sitting here doing the final edit of this video and realized I either must have deleted or I never made an actual for this thing. So here's the final painting, you're looking at it now. I ended up being super happy with how it came out. It was delivered, they were super happy with it. But if you like what you see, put the thumbs up, it really helps. If you want to see more, put the subscribe. I was over here doing some sort of creative thing, sometimes art, furniture, home decor, who knows? Leave in the comments below what I should do next. See you on the next one.